Hello students, welcome back once again in English grammar class. This is Uma Vidushi, your English teacher, and today we are going to study about prepositions. As you know that it's a part of speech. So without wasting much time, let's begin today's class. Children, do you know what roads, train tracks or bridges do? They connect place. That's what prepositions do in a sentence. They connect words in a sentence. Now let's see what are prepositions. A preposition precedes a noun or a pronoun to show nouns or the pronoun's relationship to another word in the sentence. Okay, so you can say that a preposition is a word that shows a relationship between a noun, a pronoun and some other word in the sentence. So prepositions are connecting words or bridge words, and they shows relationship. They show relationship between two different nouns or pronoun or even sometimes phrases also. Alright, preposition is made from two words, pre and position. Pre means first. So prepositional words are generally placed before a noun, okay, to show its relationship to the other word in the sentence. Now, as you can see here some examples of prepositions through this pictorial view. Between, in front of, behind, to the left of, below, on, next to the right of, etc. Are you confused how these prepositions are used? So let's take an example. The dog is dash in. The dog is dash my bed. Now in the above sentence there is a gap and we need to fill that gap with a word which connect the noun bed to the rest part of the sentence. So a preposition fits in and the best preposition would be on. Alright, so what will be the correct sentence now? That the dog is on my bed. So here the preposition is on, which precedes the noun bed, and it shows the relationship between dog and bed. You can ask question to know about the position of the noun dog, where the dog is. So the dog is on the bed. Let's take another example. Outside the window, the birds are singing. Here, the preposition is outside, which precedes the noun window, and it shows the relationship between birds and window. You can ask questions like where the birds are singing. So birds are singing outside the window, or you can also say this sentence, outside the window the birds are singing. I hope you have understood that how these prepositions work. Now let's understand about the object of the preposition. What is object of preposition? The noun that comes after the preposition is called the object of the preposition. Like for example, the dog is on my bed. As you know that here the preposition is on. So what is the object of preposition? So object of preposition is bed. Another example, the cow jumped over the moon. Here in this sentence, over is the preposition and the object of preposition here is the moon. Okay, so the noun which comes after the preposition in a sentence is called object of the preposition. Now let's see more graphical way to understand the concept of preposition. The dog is on my bed. Here there are two nouns. First is dog and second one is bed, and we have to show the relationship between the first noun and the second noun. So we have used on to show the relationship between the dog and my bed. Okay, and here the bed word is the object of the preposition. So we can say that preposition on is defining the relationship between dog and bed. The preposition shows where the dog is. Alright students, so I hope you have understood that what is preposition and how they are and where they are placed. Let's do one warm-up exercise to understand more about preposition. Here you have to fill the blanks with suitable prepositions. I am reading the sentences for you and I hope you will be able to give answers simultaneously. After that we will check the answers before ending the video. My brother and sister are coming dash me to the party. He was hiding dash the table. I love to fly kites dash my terrace. Keep dash the grass, shouted the gardener. We have known each other dash childhood. We have studied together dash class 5th. People always think that the grass dash the other side is greener. My father is part dash the team that has gone dash a mission. The little boy jumped dash the bed and ran dash the mother. Last, an old lady was standing dash me. We were waiting dash the queue. I hope you all are ready with the answers. So let's match the answers of these blanks. In the first sentence, you will fill with. My brother and sister are coming with me to the party. Second, he was hiding under the table. Third, I love to fly kites on my terrace. Next, keep off the grass, shouted the gardener. Keep off means to stop someone to do anything or to prevent somebody to stand on something. Next, we have known each other since childhood. Next, number 6, we have studied together in class 5. Number 7, people always think that the grass on the other side is greener. My father is part of team that has gone on a mission. 9th, the little boy jumped from the bed and ran to his mother. And last but not the least, an old lady was standing beside me. We were waiting in the queue. So I hope students, all the answers of the blanks are absolutely right and you are clear with the concept of the part of speech preposition. In my next video, I will explain you the different kinds of prepositions based on their functionality. So thank you so much for staying with me till now. Take care. Bye-bye.